Everybody and welcome to the Propz Show. Was geht? Erstmal auf Deutsch. Schön, dass ihr alle da seid. Welcome to everybody watching. Now we are in a new place right now. Let's go. Trying something out. PDZ, Glückwunsch zu deinem First Chatter und Moin Bohne, Moin Excel. Today's stream is gonna be in English, as I try to do always on Wednesdays, but yeah, we can still chat a little bit in German, a little bit in English, doesn't matter. So it looks like it's fixed, Bohne. Thank you very much for breaking the chat so we can fix it. I need a link to those shirts. I know. At some point, Axel, I'm gonna make my own fashion brand, but only with these shirts. And all the shirts that I own, I love them. I love my shirts. What are the thoughts about your new home? All fine. It's actually nearly all fine. We have one big problem because I don't have a door for the office right now. So my wife is working and I'm working, and if we talk too much, I don't know if so. This is the reason why the stuff are here to, absorb a little bit of the noise. But we need to try it out. We're gonna find something. If it doesn't work out, I don't know. We're gonna but the home is way better. Yeah, we have a lot of room and for everybody, and it's cozy and it's sunny, and we have view to the ocean. So we are like, oh, here I don't have a view. But in our kitchen we have an amazing view to the ocean. Let's say hi to your wife. Yes. Ja, auf jeden Fall, Bohne. Spaßpolizei ist am Start. Moin, Finn, grüße dich. Ich hab dir, glaube ich, gar nicht Hallo gesagt. Schön, dass du da bist. Willkommen. Wie ist die Lage? So, yes. So, the new apartment or home or whatever is way better for us. And now we only need to find out if the situation is going to work out, if it's fine with the noise, with my voice, if she's fine hearing my voice all day while working. Bona, ich lese immer den Chat. Du darfst diesen Chat auch nicht zu doll benutzen, sonst geht die Bedeutung davon verloren. Yeah, but it is better than before. Yes, it is. So we actually have some spacing, and maybe we can change where the doors are located. So maybe we will put one door to another place so we can close it, but whatever. It's actually pretty nice. And I'm a little bit, yeah, every day when we move from one home to another, I'm pretty tired actually. But today is the same thing. But I was already to the market, but it's way better. We have the sun. We have amazing weather. Yesterday, you guys saw it. Guys have seen it on the stream. But we have amazing weather. View. We have ocean view. It's a little bit like not like 50 meters, but like, I don't know, half a kilometer away the ocean, but it's amazing. I love the ocean. I love the water, and it's more light, and we have yeah, I don't know, it's just better. Bohne, you have to reactivate your creativity so you can stop breaking my chat. and actually style something. But it said it is amazing. It's way better, and we're feeling good about it. And the other thing, we're gonna figure it out. So I think it's fine. I think it's gonna be good, but it's way better for us right now. It's way better, and all the other stuff we're gonna figure it out. It's gonna be fine. Pros, cheers. Yeah, so I've watched the VOD for the real live stream, and I think I kind of liked how it turned out. I think it was good. Like the sound for me. I mean, of course we have to juggle with some expectations, right? So of course I'm not a professional real life streamer, but I think the sound was fine. I think this was the most important thing, that you guys actually can hear me talking like normally, and I'm pretty satisfied with the sound. And the image, it was weird because I watched it, and a couple of times there was like perfect camera quality, and then it got worse and then better, and I don't know. So this is something I need to figure out, but I think the sound was good. I think it was easy to understand what I was talking about, and also with the noise cancellation. Yeah. Sound was super fine, and also like even if the bigger streets with a lot of cars, I think it was pretty good, pretty easy to understand everything without like too much noise. But yeah, the video, this is the thing. I mean, I'm gonna try out the thing that Themen said about the SRT server. But the problem right now, I have my servers in Germany. I already said it. I have like 200 milliseconds ping. This is like too much. This is maybe I need to rent a cheap server in Brazil, like for a couple of dollars, just to. But yeah, I don't know. But I'm kind of enjoying the real live streams. So I mean, it was just the second one, right? But I think this is something that I could do in Germany. But I think the interesting part about Brazil is interesting for the rest of the world, and I think the German part will be interesting. I like more. Brazil is more interesting for you, and I think the German part of a real live stream could be interesting for the rest of the world. So like for Brazilians and Americans or whatnot. Did you research for encoding stuff or something? What causes the artifacts on much detail? No, I did not research it. I just yesterday was very busy. I didn't have the time to research, but I'm going. Yeah. But there was actually a thing. A couple of people wrote in the chat that the chat message were a little bit pixelated. And it actually was true. So I rewatched, but not the whole time. But a couple of times, the whole stream quality was a little bit worse than normal. And I don't know if it has to do with. Yeah, I don't know why. So, yeah. Maybe it has to do with Restream. Yeah, probably. It could be that it was upscale, but it wasn't all the time. I don't know. It was very strange. It wasn't like bad all the time. Just at some point, like you can see it in the graphics, like they're normally I think they are pretty sharp and everything is fine. Yeah, 1020, yeah. 1020p. Because normally I think the stream quality is pretty good, right? I mean, maybe you can take a look at the graphics right here. Let's test the chat. And also the weather. Where's the weather? The weather. So I've seen it in the weather. I've seen in the graphics in the top. Like if they're not very sharp, it could be that it's upscaled. But it should be the whole time. And then I had the feeling that it wasn't like bad the whole time. It's much cleaner, yeah? So yeah. So maybe it has to do with Restream, but yeah, whatever. I need to do a little bit research on the encoding. because yeah, it was very strange. Like, just weird how it behaved. So, but thank you guys that you all turned in yesterday. I think it was kind of fun just walking a little bit around in the wonderful sunshine. And yeah, the sound was actually pretty nice. So I told you yesterday I already ordered a new microphone for your live stream or whatever. And I think, but it will arrive in like 2 weeks. It's coming from China. So it's gonna arrive in 2 weeks. And I hope that the sound could get even better with the microphone. But yeah, we'll find out either way. But I think sound is the most important thing. If my face is a little pixelated, I think it's fine. And it's just sad for if there's something that looks beautiful, it's sad if it's pixelated. So it's all about the location, right? But whatever. I think, like, it was the second time we were live streaming. So I think the first time was horrible. The second time now was fine. In my opinion, I think it was like 100% better than the first one. So we're getting there. Slowly we're getting there. We're building it up. We're building it up. Okay. So today I want to continue with the WordPress. Bona, that's not gonna work at all. But I can give you you can check the GitHub. There are like very simple. It's a very simple sanitize function, and the JavaScript never worked on the chat. Hexa, hello, welcome. How are you doing? And I wish you also a wonderful day. Welcome to the stream. Today is a Feierabend-Stream, right? Schön, dass ihr alle da seid. Bonne, but there, JavaScript is just put inside, but it's not re-executed. So this JavaScript never worked on the chat because it's not re-executed. It's just put in right there. So this was never a problem. The only problem, like security-wise, that I had was about the guys with source, like all kind of HTML tags with sources, like audio and video and image. And the same thing goes, of course, for CSS styling with sources. But yeah, I mean, I don't know if like it's whatever. There's one truth about me: I never finish work. I know. Hey Pandito, welcome to the stream. I built WordPress app WooCommerce Elementor Pro. Still struggle with this toolkit. Yeah, I mean, it's WordPress is special, right? At some point I had a lot of expertise in the whole WordPress WooCommerce area, but it's years since I last worked with it, so I'm still have to how can I say it? Yeah, I need to rebuild my expertise there. But what kind of app do you build? Like a website for yourself or for a client, Pandito? Hello, Mr. Propz. Thank you. Hi, Pandito. You're very welcome. Welcome to the stream. My heart is constantly pumping blood through my veins and my brain is thinking about it. Why? That's the whole purpose of your heart pumping blood, is that it's happen automatically and you don't have to think about it. Aren't there more important things to think about, Hexa? Okay. But Bona, I think so I changed. Maybe you give up, Bona. You broke the chat once. Why do you want to break it twice? Let's see. let's see the function. I know this is the sanitize. This is not what I want. This is the helper sanitize message. Just built an app with payment features using WooCommerce plugin, but many third-party has more strict rule to connect with WordPress. Ah, really? This is why we can't have nice things. Bone. So Bone, look at here. So you can't, there is no iframe, no video, audio, image, embed, track, source, script, link, what, blah, blah, blah. Body, object, plain text, and style. And there is no dangerously set inner HTML, and there is no set HTML unsafe. Maybe there are other things, but we also don't have any URL or source. So you can only style the things that you put right inside the chat message. What are you guys doing there? I mean, you can animate it, right? Okay, so we are not going to work with the bot today, at least. The effort, it is excellent. The effort to break is really remarkable. Like, I mean, you can fucking put HTML inside my chat. You can do it. You can play around. You can be creative. But no, everybody wants to break it, and then everybody wonders, why are there rules in the world? Because everybody wants to break it. Since you remove style, we can't animate anymore. This is actually true, yes. This is actually true. Which is kind of sad, yeah. Maybe I can build in predefined animations. I can just embed like the animate CSS library. So then we have at least those libraries, you know? Shadow DOM, damit wir unsere eigenen Boxen anpassen können. Ja, Prioritäten, ne, Bonus. My temporary landing page is working on my GitHub page. We need a sub CSS. Yeah, you can. So we can discuss this right now, actually. We can discuss this right now. So this was Pritzet's idea, and I really liked the idea. So everybody that is sub to the channel can style their own box, their own chat box. And I really like the idea. It's a very nice idea. So the thing is, you can look up the markup online, but I think I'm gonna post it on Discord as well. So the point is, yeah, you need to go to overlays, source, components, and chat message. And this is the markup for the single chat message. Yeah, it's havoc. Yeah. Totally excellent. Long story short, I think maybe I need to wrap this differently, because we have a list. This is a list. Let me check the CSS real quick. Maybe I'll put another wrapper inside here, but it's just because I think it's a flex layout. So the CSS for the chat is, it is flex, it's column, and we have an opacity and a padding. The opacity is on all the chat messages, So this is something I would move around, I think. Then we have the chat message wrapper. And I think you can style the list element, you can style the chat user and the chat message. And so actually it's everything. I mean, you can restyle it completely, right? You can make a grid. Is it working? I can't see anything. No, it's not working. But it said as soon as there is a style element inside the chat message, it's not going to be able to change it. Servus Themen, welcome to the stream. Wie ist die Lage? Okay, so the thing is, this is so what's the problem here with the JSX tag requires the module path to exist, but none could be found. I think whatever. Again, didn't see it. Fumbler. I like Fumbler more. Fumbler is better. No, not the property is getting parsed, but not the tag. Yeah, but I can't hover over it. Okay, so the style property is working, but not the style tag. So I'm not. I mean, the thing is, I'm panicking. I always get. I switch to panic mode if something is not working correctly on the stream. So you guys show me that you can break and you're willing to break everything, and I don't like it. I have a corporate design. I put so much effort that everything looks good. And so this is, I think, the main problem. I switch to panic mode because when someone says in the chat something's broken, I switch to panic mode. So this is why I'm not allowing the style tag anymore, because you can actually like change everything. But so if we take a look, maybe you can start. I don't know. You guys, you're chilling here with me right now. So it's Feierabend stream, so nobody's working anymore, I think. I'm gonna just try something real quick. Let's go to the notes. Let's say a Propz chat markup. And let's go with I have where's my tool? There's my tool, and I need the syntax highlighter. Yeah, that's what I want. Where's HTML? Are you kidding me? It just hurt my eyes. PHP. What about XML? I mean, this is not the same. Oh no, just actually wait. JSX, JavaScript, React. Is it React? Is there something about React here? Let's go with JavaScript. Oh, it's not really working. All done, just vacation the rest of the week. Oh yes, tomorrow is how is it called in English? Feiertag. It's holiday. Holiday? Yeah, holiday. C#. What about TypeScript? Same shit. Yeah, okay, this is not working how I wanted it to work. I just want to post the code right here. Oh, this is actually not needed. Chat message. Chat user. Okay, so this is for you guys. Let me just preview this. Char markup. No, this is chat markup. So, and Hexa, if you want to practice your HTML and CSS, you can actually style your chat, but only if you're subbed, of course. Okay, so guys, this is the note. You can. So, Perizet, Bohnen, if you have nothing to do, Excel, whatever. So, if you're subbed, you can style your chat box, and you can get creative. So, let's say, hey, Ludes, thank you for the follow. If you, let's say, I'm allowing everything. So everything is allowed. You can do whatever you want. Also with images. And then afterwards, I will take a look. So if something is too much or not. Yeah, I think so, actually. But so, and then, I mean, I don't know. I think Bona is pretty excited about styling his own chat box with whatever he wants. So, I mean, but it said I need the normal. I'm gonna insert everything. Okay, so this is. Wait, just a minute. Custom styles for Propz chat. So let's do some rules right here. Let's go with group. It's gonna be Propz. Okay, some simple rules. So write down your yeah, I didn't. Boom Kuncha, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? And also Roshi just came into the stream. Welcome Roshi, welcome to the stream. Yes, today is gonna be a little bit of WordPress. Let's create short documentation. Yes, maybe. Okay, so you can style the classes however you want. Your CSS is going to be inserted inside style tag. Every images are allowed, but only if hosted on public image hoster. I can host the images actually locally. I can host the images on my server. It should be fine too. I think, I mean, just give me the images and I because I don't, like, we don't need to optimize anything here. Images are allowed. Animations are allowed, but simple. Let's rephrase it. Simple animations are allowed. And I think, wait. So what, will this become an MCP server? No, it's about, no subscriber feature for styling. Yes, thank you, Peter. What brings you to do this place of pain and suffering, Roshi? Yeah, I know. I worked many years with WordPress, Roshi, and my own website is in WordPress, and I want to extend the website with webshop functionality. This is why I'm going with WordPress right now. Maybe base 64 with max size. I know, but it's that. So this is simple. I think you can send me images. I mean, let's say, so if you are a subscriber to my channel, you kind of enjoy it here right now, right? So, and this is also kind of, let's say, no, let's rephrase it. I'm going to allow images, but I'm gonna host it myself. So you send me the images. So this is a very nice feature. So I want to give you guys really the maximum of creativity, but I'm going to host it on my server. So I'm gonna have I'm just gonna put another subdomain like assets, bot assets, whatever, or chat assets, and I'm gonna upload the images there. Yeah. This is, I mean, I don't have a lot of subs right now, right? But I think if you like to watch the stream, I also want to incentivize people of supporting me with a sub. And then, but maybe we need a Laravel backend for it. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we need a Laravel backend for this. I think it would actually be a nice idea to build a simple Laravel application where you guys can log in and just save the CSS and upload images. It's all done on it's all inside the server. But this is maximum. I think it's easier for me just to upload simple images, but I think it would be also a very fun project. So you can style the classes however you want. Your CSS is going to be inserted inside the style tag. Images are allowed. Simple animations are allowed. Yeah, I think this is fine. Name the images properly. Yeah, I don't know. The images, maybe whatever. I didn't realize that WordPress has plugins for this kind of feature. Oh, this is actually my plugin. Like Peter said, I developed this plugin. I mean, Realize can do WordPress can do everything that we want. So you can, and this is the so-called Easy Notes plugin that I developed. Like it's like paste bin plugin, you know. This is a note and I can send to whatever I want, but it's self-hosted, so it's just better for my branding, for my domain. I get some traffic. Images are allowed only for Lambo. Yes. Oh, Hexa is trying out. Is it working, Hexa? It is. Hexa. So Hexa, so if you wanna practice, you can practice here with your chat messages. You are the man, so to speak. Yeah, maybe. I am the man, right? That sounds strange. Okay, so yeah, so I think Roshi, you are Brazilian, right? Did I remember it correctly? Okay. Yeah, but the clip is amazing. So we only have good clips. We need a crab rave. We definitely need a crab rave in the stream. I need to build some new features here. Still wondering what they took before that show. Lembro nada, tenho memória curta. Não, eu só te... Não, eu te perguntei se tu é brasileiro. É sim, valeu. So the automatic translation is also working. You need man. Mario, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay. So everybody, again, for everybody watching, I think this is, okay, I'm gonna be honest. I think this is one of the most amazing features I can give you guys. If you subscribe to the stream, you can style your chat message however you want. And I think this is, but it said, thank you again. It's an amazing idea. And I mean, I need to start it out. Maybe we need to build a backend for this. It's interesting to build a backend for this. It is interesting. I kind of also like the idea to practice the whole Laravel situation. Invoices, yeah, I know, Peter. You also need to include the flashbang sounds. Yeah, they are already on my desktop. Wait. Did you hear it? No, is it? Yeah, so I think this is an amazing feature. So everybody can style their chat messages however they want. Afterwards, I will take a look and see if it's like good or not. But I think this is an amazing feature. Yeah, and probably maybe we need a custom backend for it. Custom Laravel backend. I mean, we just can, like with some simple login stuff. Simple login, you can just log in and you have one field with the style sheet. And you can change it however you want all the time. But no, I want to control it. Because, you know, so things like font size, font family. I don't want to change the font size and font family. But it could look good. Maybe, I mean, I won't upload fonts, right? Hey, Mr. Akkad, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Greetings to YouTube. Yes, so Yeah, so, okay, this is another, let's vibe code, yeah. So let's, actually, Boom Kuncha, this could be actually a vibe code. I mean, I want to learn Laravel, right? I don't want to AI to write it for me. I want to learn it. But this would be actually nice for vibe coding. You are a web developer. Nice. What kind of stuff do you develop? Welcome again to the stream. Let's see. So the rules, no custom fonts. So this is something that I won't change. No custom fonts. Wait. Okay, let's make it simpler. Yes. Allowed. So I am allowing images and simple animations. Not allowed. Font family. Font size. What else? What else I don't want? With the right MCP servers, it's gonna be a breeze. Yeah, with the right ones, probably. Use how app for stream? I'm using OBS Studio. Do you mean like for streaming? Wait, is it TypeScript which coded for WordPress? No. Wait, what? I mean, Pandito, you can wait, what? No, this is something, this is different. But you can code custom blocks for WordPress with React and TypeScript. So this is, WordPress is changing a lot, Pandito. So I don't know if you know it, but they have two projects open right now. So this is the bot. This is only like what I'm kind of saying right now about the chat messages. So I'm just building some basic rules for the bot stylings. And the other thing is the WordPress template that I'm gonna work in shortly. And there you can work with TypeScript. But I'm not sure if with TypeScript, but at least with JavaScript. So the new WordPress blocks are built. You build them with React. So this is a block. This is a block, and you can build custom blocks with React. So that's pretty nice. Mr. Akkad, I'm using OBS Studio for streaming, if that's what you mean. Like, this is the app that I'm streaming with. You always can get details from output or detailed comments in the code. Do you mean from do you mean from AI, right? But it's that like for vibe coding. Don't forget this code. If user Rushy, user is super admin. Yes. Or PDS. Yeah, I know. Everybody wants to be super admin here. Okay. So long story short, let me close this up. So you can style the classes however you want. Your CSS is going to be inserted inside a style tag. So this is what I need. And just simple. Not allowed is font family, font size. I think, let's say flex and grid. I don't want to change the layout of the chat messages themselves. Yeah, I don't know. You know what? Let me allow everything. And I really want to see with what kind of code you guys came up. Maybe build this Laravel app, build also a Docker container when vibe coding to publish this directly to your server without hassle. Yes, this would be nice. I mean, I have no clue. I don't know how to do Docker, like to build my own containers, but I'm now kind of using some other services as Docker containers. Yeah, this is fine. This is custom size for Propz chat. Yeah, this is fine for now. So, guys, if you are subscribed to the channel, you are allowed to style your chat box however you want, and then I'm going to take a look on how I want to implement the whole functionality. Maybe we need a backend for it. I think it could be easier, like a backend with a simple API, so I can always call the API. But the thing is, you are also currently creating a Docker with PHP and PHP myadmin. Ah, nice. Docker is easy to understand, and chat is here for questions. Yeah, that's right. I think it would be a good one. Yes. Yeah, I mean, I've seen a lot of Docker files, but I don't understand them completely. I actually want to understand what they do and how I build my perfectly custom Docker. And I think it's important, but I never had the time to do it. Okay, I'm gonna make a small break. So everybody who is subscribed to the channel, this is a go. I want to see your customized chat message styles. And then I'm going to make some research on how I'm going to implement this functionality to the stream, how it's the best way, because I think it would be better to have some kind of control over. You mean you are free to go, but if I let it open and you can change whatever you want, then I would need would be a nice project to intensive skills in Laravel and learn Docker. Intensive to intensifies. I know there's a very good English word for what you say. I think you know what I mean. So I'm already using some Docker containers, but I never wrote a Docker container myself. So I think this would be a good one. So this would be a Laravel project. I totally agree on Laravel, and it's actually pretty simple, right? I use Portainer, but I'm not that much. It's too complex for me right now. I know. I get you. Okay, so I mean this is a super easy project, right? So with Laravel. So I would actually make some logins so you are able to register. I think this would be easier. And you just can register and put in your CSS. This is super easy actually. It's super easy. However, need a new coffee, so I'm gonna make a small break and come back, and then we actually start with some coding with WordPress. So thank you guys, thank you everybody for tuning in and spending some time with me, and then small break, 10 minutes, fresh coffee, and then we're gonna start working on the webshop functionality. I have some new ideas and some other stuff that I want to do. And for the next weeks, maybe we're gonna start working like let's say as a side hustle on the styling project. This could be nice. Okay, guys, 10 minutes break. See ya. Let's go.
Okay.
Panditio, you still there? Waiting? Nervt die KI doch nicht. I didn't change any prompt, but it's it. The prompts remain the same. There's no need for me to change the prompt. I mean, you already hacked it, right? Too easy. You already hacked the AI too easy. Bom kuncha. Yeah, so at some point, maybe build a custom MCP server. I don't know. Did any of you guys already work with AI tool to build completely apps with it? Stony, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay, so last time this hacked your system? Really? Strange. Maybe they have had some kind of an update or whatever. It was too easy, but it's that for you. It was too easy for you to hack the AI. I'm been demoted to the cloud. It's fine. It's fine. It's just a matter of place. But I think maybe I'm gonna move this around. I don't know. Next week, next try, yes. How are you doing, Stony? You already answered. Yes, you're good. I'm good too. We just moved from one house to another yesterday. We just changed the locations, so now we're in a new home in Brazil. So always a little bit different. Okay, I want to get a little bit of work done. I want to start working on the WordPress site. And Stony, we had since you just arrived, we had a new idea for the stream. So everybody that is subscribed is allowed to style their chat box however they want. So the chat box that you're seeing with your message, you can style it however you want. But of course, just for subs, you know, you need some incentive. Yeah, I was actually thinking about it hard if I want to stream. But I say, whatever, let's go, let's do it. And it's fine. I don't need to make like too many hours or whatever, but I like to stream. So yes, and the other idea is to build a custom backend for this feature with Laravel, which should be pretty simple because there are not a lot of functions for them. But maybe this could be the start of I don't know, stream bot backend management, whatever. Okay, so but now we're going to work with WordPress, and the thing that we are doing right now is expanding WordPress with a shop system, and this is already kind of fine and working. But now I need to actually style the pages, and I want to make it a little bit different. I don't want most of the normal pages. I don't want a normal shop page for now, but actually I need it for in future. Or let's say for most of the products. Let's see. So we have different products. We have the Easy Notes plugin. So I don't need this page. So I really need to rebuild these pages. My ability to subscribe to every channel I am home in has gone away, sadly. I know. And you're in a lot of channels. And we share a lot of common interests, I think. Or let's say we share cool people. I think this matches more. We share cool people. I'm rewriting my domain backend and API, going through the trial and error stage, and I have a good sense of what I need. Nice. So another rewrite. So let's see, what do I need here? Yeah, I will need to actually build this, rebuild this page. The thing is, I don't know if I can rebuild this page with the WordPress backend, but we're gonna find out real soon. Let's I think it's editor. Yeah, let's try it out. It's a single product page. So we have templates right here, and here we're gonna add a new one. Front page, tag, date, single item product. Here we go. What? Choose a pattern. Oh, okay, he already kind of built this for me. Okay, let's go. Template part, whatever. So this is my group. Oh, geez, this is so much easier. I think this is the right way to do it. Okay, so I actually built everything already. So we have the group here. I'm gonna give the group the Propz style. And now we have the breadcrumbs. I don't want, let's keep it there. Store notices. Maybe I can put them at another place. But I think now it's fine there. Then we have some columns, then product details and pattern placeholder. What is a pattern placeholder? Yeah, whatever. Let's just save this. I need to actually... nothing wrong with vibing with the same group of people, right? Nothing wrong with that. This is your local instance, right? Yes. Mr. Akkad, hello again. Welcome back. This is my local instance. Okay, let's go again. So we need to go to editor and just edit the template. WooCommerce. Oh, here we go. This is all the WooCommerce templates. Wait. So, but I am overriding this template right now, right? No, wait. I think I'm missing something. Yeah, okay, I knew it. This is just a template for this product and not for other products. If I want to change the templates for other products, I can do it right here. And so since they blockified, let's say like this, blockified all the WooCommerce components, I can do it right here. So this is a single product. This is what we want. And I have turbo, so you get a little bit more from me and I get no ads. It's a win-win. This is true, Stoney. This is true, yes. Counter-incentivizing you to stream more in English. Let's go. all the turbo users are very welcome in my stream. Slushki, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hallo natürlich, and how are you? Okay, so let's go. This is the group, and it's gonna be Propz. The thing is, this is not working. It should work right away. Okay, I will need to test a lot more here, I think. Oh, it is working. But we don't have a max width inside there. Why not? Let's see. I mean, maybe it would be better to make a custom design first, but it's fine. So we have the product image gallery, we have product title, rating, price, summary, add to cart, product meta. Brands, categories and tags. I think whatever. Let's I'm thinking too much. Let's just continue with the design. Let's go with backgrounds, gradients, green. Now we're talking. Let's see if the max width stuff is gone. It's not. How? Why do I have a max width in the other elements? Because of the main, of course. So the entry content is the max width element. Okay, so because the classes, they don't match. Let's see. Trying to access array offset on value of type null. I don't want to see these warnings here. Fix it later. Let's go. Let's continue. I'm definitely gonna split this up. I know already how. Yeah, I know what I'm want to do. So we have the site blocks block group, WooCommerce block group, main block group. What happened to my entry content? This is for the archive. For the home, I always have always passing the class. Maybe I think site blocks, WooCommerce. So I need one of this. I think I'm gonna go with WooCommerce. But this class is gonna be more often. I'm gonna have this class more often, so it's not specific for this part here. This is main. Maybe this is the problem. This shouldn't be main. I think, okay, wait. There we go. This should be a section. Let's try it out again. So side block, section block, this is the right one, yes. Hell. Okay. This is a section. Let's. Where is the top group? No, this is the wrong one. So. I don't know this template part right here. Whatever. Okay, I cannot access could be different. Ah, yes, Padito, yes, I think it's right. I think I'm using 8.3. I mean, I can also turn out the warnings, but it's maybe just a PHP version, but I don't think this is what you mean, right? Huh? What the fuck happened? Yeah, one step after another. So again, I'm just looking for the right class here, where I need to put the max width, and I just needed to take a look at the markup to be sure. So why isn't this shit working right now? Are you kidding me? Okay, no, this is something else. I don't know, whatever. So I just need to, again, this site blocks. Okay, I know what to do. Let's go with site blocks. Where is the entry content CSS? Oh, I'm actually working with SCSS right here. I'm not sure if PHP Storm has plugin for Sus. Syntax highlighting. Oh, it is already installed. This is nice. How do I start this one? Maybe is there a sus watch? No, this is just the code. Okay, how do I start a sus package? Let's go to the documentation. Maybe it's the easiest way. PHP Storm start sus watch. Digga, willst du mich verarschen? File watchers. Tracks changes to your files and runs a third-party standalone application. This is something that I need. Maybe third-party tools, compilers, blah blah blah. So, let me find CSS sus. This is what I want. Configure sus, which will track changes to your files. So, settings dialog, click file watchers under tools. Okay, let's go. File watchers. There you go. File watchers, sus. Okay, let's go. I want SCSS. Project files. I'm not sure if sus is installed, but it should be maybe bundled with PHP Storm, right? Maybe we can test this out right away. Failure to run. The watcher has been disabled. Invalid exec. Yeah, okay, this is the problem. I know. Let's go. We need to brew, install sus. I'm not sure if this is the right one or I need the one from Node. If you use homebrew blah blah blah, you can install Dart sus. Okay, this is what I want. Let's go. Let's go. So let's see where I need to change this file. Should be on groups maybe. There's the main content with a max width. And where's the other one? Where's the content? This is not the one that I want. How about the critical ones? Screen reader, site blocks. There you go. This is the one that I want. Yes. Okay. So on the right one is VP, site blocks, WooCommerce. Yeah. I think it worked. No. Selber Quack. Did it work? Okay. Which is us? Why? It's installed right here, but why? What? So again, where are the file watchers? Under tools. Homebrew, yeah, this is okay, this is right. I think scope is fine. Yeah. So again, I'm expecting now PHP Storm to watch my changes in SCSS and compile it on the fly, but I don't think anything is happening. What about watch file watchers? Bohne, bitte Chat nicht so viel nutzen. Ich lese das schon. Nur wenn es super wichtig ist. Du nutzt es zu viel, Digga. Bei jeder Nachricht. Chill. So. Tools. Yeah, okay. But why isn't this enabled just by default? My fuck. Again. Something's happening. Oh wait, I need to actually make some changes, right? What about this one? Did something happen? I think the best way to see if something is happening is to actually test it again. No, nothing happened. Okay, still not working. Maybe we need to reload. Maybe we need to, or is there something called restart? Restart ID, let's go. Okay, next try. So the file watcher is, let's check it again. So we have the file watcher under tools. So we have, where is it? External, no, not tools. File watchers, SCSS. It's for the project. Yeah, it's just for project files. Track only root files. Maybe this is a, no, what, track only root files? No, this is, maybe this is a problem. Wait, now? Please talk to me, IDE. What about this one's? Project error, server side. Problems. Nothing happening here. What the fuck? Oh, it is working, but where? What? Wait, what? Where is he saving these files? Are you kidding me? He's saving it at the same spot, and this is the problem. Okay, I get it. Okay, I know this is not right. Prost, Bonne! Okay, he's saving the files in the same spot. This is the problem. Ah, this is the argument. Ah, okay, now I get it. Okay, I'm starting to understand everything. So again, SAS arguments. How already did I save this? I think I saved it already at some point. What about theme JSON, package JSON? So how to start this up? Let's go with Dart SAS. So SAS input output, yes, but I want inputs output to another folder. I think this is the one, themes. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, just need to put the both folders right there. Let's go again. So for this project, it's a little bit different. It's in assets and styles. Assets, styles. Okay, let's go. Tools, file watchers. Let's call this SSS Propz theme because for other projects it's not the right one. And we are going, it's not file name. We are going to watch everything in SCSS and output the rest to assets styles. And I don't want maps. Indented. What? Transpailing, das, blah, blah. Yeah, 1 minute, Bohne. Additional load path. Style is compressed. This is the other one that I need. I mean, let's see if this works. I mean, it was working, right? I just need to delete the files here. Yeah, I don't think anything is happening here. No. Still not working. Let's go back. By default, the generated CSS and CSS are stored in the folder where the original files is and are shown as its children. You can change this behavior to store all generated files. Bah. Let's start with a simple case. Arguments. Project file direction, project file dir, file name without extension CSS. Ah, okay, interesting. Let's see. Okay. Arguments. File name goes to project file dir, assets, styles, file name with extension CSS. This is fine. In the output paths to refresh, I think I need to put the same. This is the same text. Project file dir. This is about the CSS map, but I don't want a map. Working directory is project file dir. Or I don't know if it makes a difference. Whatever, it's fine. And oh, they have advanced options. Oh, I already opened it. Show console filters. So the thing is, can I use the arguments? Let's try one after another. We have the project file, directory, and assets and styles. This could work. Next try. I mean, it should create a CSS, so it's still not working. Oh my. So another time, just wasting so much time before getting anything to work. Preserve the original folder structure. This is a good example, but I don't need this for my project. So again, file name, it's project file directory relative to project root. Oh, this is new. Yeah, this is not what I would need. Compass. I already forgot the options here. The option name, style is compressed. I need, how do I pass in? I can't pass in this option. It's freaking pointless. Again, file name, project file directory, CSS, file name without extension, .css. File name, project file direction. For my project is assets styles, file name without extension, CSS. The same goes for the outputs path to refresh is project file directory, blah blah blah, CSS, and then project file directory, blah blah blah, css.map. Again, I have project file directory, asset styles, file name without extension, CSS, and then project blah blah blah, asset styles, file name without extension, CSS, map. This should be perfectly fine. Next try. Something's happening here, nothing's happening here. Oh, it is happening. It is happening. It worked. It is working, right? It is working. Finally. Okay, so this is working. Now I actually want to change the behavior, so I don't want maps, and I want this to be compressed. So next try, and I hope this works for PHP Storm. Let's go again to the watcher. Yeah, it is our daily cycle, Stony. It is just our daily cycle. So here to go with style compressed. I'm not sure if I just wrote it correctly. Double dash and equals. Style is compressed. Let's go. Nothing happened. I think he's watching for changes, but I don't want him to watch it for changes. I want you to watch everything. Yellow. It worked. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, it is working. I just don't want the CSS map. No source map. This is what I'm talking about. Source map. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, the easier way to go there is just type in here file watch, and then I go directly to the settings. It's way easier. I need to remember this. Okay, so style compressed is working, and the second one is no source map, should also work right away. And then I think I'm fine for this project. Let's delete the CSS map. What? The fuck is... So, next try. Let's... last test. It seems to work. So, I mean, the width here, the max width is working. Let's... Yeah, this is the right one. Okay. Jeez. Example CSS change trigger. What is the change trigger? So in general, your code is saved automatically when you move the focus from JetBrains Radar. I know. The file watcher wakes up and launches the transpiler as soon as your project is saved manually or automatically. Autosave to trigger. But wait, I don't think that this is working. Again, go to the file watchers. I don't want autosave in none of my files. What is an external change? What could be the external change? Trigger the watcher regardless of syntax errors. Yes. Okay, so now a last try test if it's really working. Let's go again here with background and red. Oh, this is the wrong page. Wenn du woanders editierst. Ah, okay, makes sense. Okay, this is working. Everything's fine. Nice. Okay, one last thing. He's not... Wait. Is he? Oh, it seems fine. Rainbow. Indent rainbow. Where's my indent rainbow? There's my indent rainbow. Okay. So maybe we can start to work at some point. Okay. First things first. Yeah, this is working. This is good. So now I can actually start building the inner part of the website. So that we have our max width right there. This is kind of similar to our layout. And now it's gonna get fancy. Let's close this up. Thank you again, Bona, for the links, for the help. Gute Arbeitsumgebung ist wichtig, auf jeden. Okay. I think everything's working, so I can start. Actually, I'm just curious about one thing. Dart says indent. Because I'm looking for an option for Dart Sass, and I don't think it's, or I'm not sure if it's already implemented or not. This one. The indented syntax was Sass' original syntax, so it uses the file extension Sass because of this extension. It's sometimes just called Sass. Supports all the same blah blah blah. In general, anytime you'll write curly braces in CSS, you can just indent one level deeper in the indented syntax. And any time a line ends, that counts as a semicolon. There are also a few additional differences in the indented syntax that are noted throughout the reference. Which means essentially all valid CSS is valid CSS as well because of its similarity. Oh, now I get it. It's not what I was hoping for. I want the native CSS indentation, but I don't think it's built in already. Okay. CSS updates. What is updates? Whatever. Embed, watch, pull, stop, interactive, color, no Unicode, verbose, quiet. Yeah, it's okay, it's whatever. It's not built in right now. As an AI agent, I'm here to assist you in any way I can, whether you need information, advice, or just someone to talk to. I'm dedicated to providing helpful and respectful support. My goal is to make your day a little easier and more enjoyable. Bona, that sounds amazing. Okay, thank you for this AI-generated text telling me that you're an AI agent. Okay. Okay. Next. So we were now SCSS is working. I need to turn off the warnings. I think it has to do with the bug log, right? Or let's say, wait a minute. It's also about the WP config file. Where is it? Tools. No, there cannot turn it off right here. There you go. So, where's the debug? Let's go with debug true. And viel Spaß im Lurkbohnen. Okay. I need another one. It's just a couple of months without working with WordPress and you forget like everything. Maybe it's in the house. Thank you very much for the raid, my friends. And guess what? It's an English stream. How amazing. Bleeding DNA. Thank you very much for following and coming into the stream. How are you guys doing? Where did you get that alert? I built it myself. Everything's homemade, homegrown. The good old homegrown. 10 of 10 shirt. I love it. Thank you very much. I love it too. Look at this beautiful thing. Once I was in a Portuguese restaurant and the decoration matched exactly my shirt. I just blended inside the decoration like camouflage. How are you doing, guys? Welcome, Nihan Codes. Is this Nihan, I think, or Nan Codes? Bleeding DNA, I know. I mean, I know the nicks, right? Welcome to my stream. Finally, with some good old English skills for the international viewers. Oh no, now the ads are running. Oh my god. I'm too skilled? I don't know. How did you do this? I couldn't work it out. Okay, so the thing is we have some ads right now. So I guess most of you are not able to actually hear me. Waiting for the ads to end. Bad luck. You can hear me. Okay. So one question. So welcome again. How was the stream? What have you been working on? Forget everyone else. Okay. Okay. So what? So what was the question? So I built the alerts myself. It's React actually. I've been working on your app. Nice. Is it working out with the stream? I am having a hard time, like trying to focusing on the stream. It's really hard for me. I just like needed like half an hour just to get my sus working here. Whatever, guys. So welcome to the stream. The ads are still running. This is so annoying. I was wondering how you did the ads are running message. I can show you everything. But I mean, I have my skills in some parts and you have your skills in other parts, right? And there is another streamer. She's actually also from England. White Panther. I don't know if you know her. Maybe you know her. She's amazing. And she had like the most amazing alerts. And I was like, fuck yes, I'm gonna do this myself. And I built for every kind of important alert. I built with custom music and and also with some of them also have some avatars from the streamers. I really like the Propz one because you know what? Let me show you. I just built this like a month ago. Propz for maybe. Oh, come on. It's just props, it's like bam. And of course we can slap bleeding DNA. Oh no, it was not timed correctly. Why? This is the right slap. Yeah, so yeah, I'm such an amateur. Yeah, just Pitted just came and just slapped me. So there was an API for it, but I couldn't see how I could use it like this. Okay, so the thing is, I can show you, I built my bot with Twirple, and Twirple is actually a very good JavaScript library for Twitch. Where is Twirple? There is. So this wouldn't happen if you built it in Elixir. I know. It never ends. So this is Twirple, and Twirple is an JavaScript library for all the Twitch stuff. And there you can actually watch for these events. I'm using the EventSub WebSocket library for the events, and there you can listen to a lot of events. Subscription create, what is this? So there's automod channel ads. So this is the one on on-channel ad break begin. This is when when they start. And I'm listening for this event, and when this event happens, I send a message that is happening and also showing the ad break inside the stream. I want to rebuild it at some point, and there are a lot of events that you can. So my bot is actually kind of open source. I mean, of course, it's very customized to my needs, so a lot of people, it's not very useful, but you can just go to the Propz bot on my GitHub and take a look at the code if you want. And there are 4 parts. Like there's the classic Twitch bots, which with Torpal, which handles everything Twitch based. But I also have the overlays, which you see on my stream, which are built with React. This, and the chat and some other stuff, or the showing the weather. This is built with the OBS, with React as an OBS overlay. And I also I have some local scripts and blah, and also connected to my Discord. And yeah, so I built a lot of stuff. And yeah, so this was the first. So, but I'm glad you were stopping by. So now we can properly talk to each other in English. Yeah, we have an AI. Yeah, we have also AI here. But yeah, if I would use Elixir, everything would be better right now. Oh wow, yeah, the AI. You don't speak English, sorry, German only. Okay, lecco mio. So, and right now, guys, I'm trying to work on my website because now I'm not working. I'm working with WordPress. Because my website is based on WordPress, and I'm extending the website with a Webshop. And now I'm trying to get my templates working with, like the built-in templates working with my website. And as you can see, I have some minor problems here, but this is where I'm at. One of the last streams I was learning Laravel, and yeah, but I code, I do some web design with Figma, and I built websites with WordPress and with Laravel maybe in the future. And if I'm working with my bot, it's all about JavaScript, TypeScript, and React. And I have some other projects where I wanted to try out Svelte, and Tailwind. So I'm getting there slowly. But yes, so this is how I built my stuff, and I'm pretty proud of it. But it was a lot of work. It was like insane amount of work to build the shit. But I mean, so I'm a designer who also codes, so it was very important for me to get like the whole branding, the whole visual thing, like that looks good and it feels good, like the look and feel of the stream. So it's why I put a lot of effort inside the design and of my web, so the stream matches the website and so on. It was very important to me. So, but this is like part of my skill set. Yeah. I feel like you're just snidely saying my stream looks like shit. I'm just no. So I won't say that your stream looks like shit, but my stream looks amazing. You say such hurtful things. I mean, the biggest streamers in the world have a shit looking stream, so yours is totally fine. Imagine rating someone and they're just like, thanks, your stream looks shit. I never said, you said it. I don't say it. I mean, you had a I love your tie today. The tie looks amazing. You have some nice stream transitions. It all looks amazing. Okay. You're getting okay, you know, you're just shitting with me, man. Why am I talking with you? And then, but maybe comes here and just say, oh, Look at your editor. It looks so small. Look at your monitor. It looks so small. And your code editor. Your code is so small. Yeah. This is what you've been talking to me. I will never forget it. Maybe I will never forget it. Because you have such a, I mean, you know, you have a very, very big IDE. And I have some better design, you know. My IDE is just better designed, but not as big. My IDE is prettier. Oh God. My IDE is massive and girthy. Okay, fuck off. Our streamers are good in different ways. Definitely bleeding. Apple is good. Orange is good. They are not the same fruit, but both good. Yes, exactly. Oh, dang. Globe Ramble, welcome to the stream and to the chat. Does the site have a domain? Oh, yes, it does. I have a chat command for it. Wait. It's web, I guess? It is. I mean, it's in German, right? But you can appreciate my wonderful web design skills there. Okay. But yeah, so welcome everybody. And I'm trying, so I'm not working right now. I'm not working on the live website for once, because I love to work and break my live website. But I firstly want to work locally, so the website keeps stops breaking every time I change something. And yeah, so very colorful and with some nice CSS animations, whatever. This is all about my skills, but we are talking about Maybe and his skills and his amazing tie. But maybe I think I didn't understand it correctly on your stream. Did you get a new job right now? I think I didn't understand it quite correctly. If you had a new job. Ah, you had an interview this morning. Nice to hear. And how did it go? So I'm sorry, I'm a very bad stream viewer, because I'm inside your streams, but I'm always doing things myself and I don't listen very. So I remember that you were talking about it, but I didn't get it correctly. 3 stages, Fridays first. Follow up. Oh, nice. Oh, that's very good, man. I'm very happy for you. Very happy. I mean, at least for a chance, right? It's the beginning. I mean, you told on the stream that you had some problems, in the past with some interviews, but it's nice. Let's go with the hero. And after, let's go. This is a group. This group is a section. The style is Propz, and the background gradient is gonna be yellow. Most job markets, I'll have a job in a couple weeks tops. Ah, yeah, okay. This time it could be months, but this one is really promising. Nice. I'm so happy for you. Product details gonna be there.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Guten Tag, Mister. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Door notices, maybe, but I think it's fine there. Columns. How does it look like right now? Oh, it's getting... What the why? This is not my fault. This is not my code. What the fuck? This is not my code. This is WordPress. What is happening? What the heck? Yeah, this is quality code, maybe. This is a WordPress quality code. Footer? The heck? Maybe it has something to do with this template parts. I'm not sure. What the heck? Why is everything deprecated in here? Register post type. They're kidding me, right? It's always been something I've wanted to learn. Okay, my lyric, need to get stuff done. Love you too. Thank you again very much for the rates. And another warm welcome to all the raiders. Okay, so what now? Yeah, they're really pissed off about this, all the errors. Wait a minute. Yeah, WordPress being WordPress, I know. Hi, Christian. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Okay, so what? There he is. Okay, let's go. Just wake up, coffee time, and you. I'm good right now. Also, I think I need another coffee, but I'm trying to. There we go. To do some work on my website, and I have a lot of very weird errors right here, which are not caused by my own code. So it's kind of WordPress fault, but yeah. I already closed this one. There we go. So now should be good right now. Oh yes, this is working. Okay, fuck the errors. I don't care. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. So now I'm trying to style. I know what's okay. I know the problem. Now I'm trying to build like a simple template for my products. So I'm going to sell WordPress plugins and other stuff. Maybe at some point merchandise for fans, you know. I'm such a big streamer. But the most important thing for me is to build it to sell my course. I'm building a course, an online course, and I wanted to sell via my homepage, like through my homepage, my website homepage. And I am building the infrastructure for it to work properly. And so the money actually, I just had to spend a little bit of money, you know, with PayPal or whatever, with the credit cards if someone's paying, but not with other related stuff. So no fees, no more big fees. Okay, I know where the problem is with this one. I just started to code. But Christian, do I know your nick? So I don't know if Bleeding DNA is still there, and Globe Rambler. Let's call him Rambler. And Nan Codes. Is it Nan Codes or Nihan? Nan. Let's say, I think it's Nan, right? Nan Codes. And also Christian from Laravel. From Laravel. Yes. Because I'm going to ask, what are you nerding with? Yeah, so I finished the Laravel course and it's pretty nice. And I have now a new idea for a small Laravel project, like to keep it going. And also I need to learn some Docker to build my own Docker containers, because I have no clue about this one. But before we get going with Laravel, I'll need to just set up my webshop. It's there, right there. Okay, so I don't have any image here. Also, the padding is kind of very, very broken. I'm wondering how I did it with these parts here. What? I already forget how I built my website, but I think this is normal, right? I have the columns. 2 columns. Huh. I think I have the same one. What is the problem here? Maybe he's overriding some CSS with the 2 columns here. But why if one column is empty? What happens if it's empty? Not why. I don't really use Docker for Laravel's kind of uses. I know. I mean, like all the main, like every web hosting package has PHP, right? And a database. I know. The Laravel dev course taught us how to configure the Lambo later. Now he's cooking. Yeah. but that's the reason why I also didn't work much with Docker, because I never needed it. Like working with WordPress, I think Docker it's another useless layer. If you have PHP working on your server, like for Laravel, the same thing, why would you use Docker? It makes no sense for me. And for a lot of other things, it also doesn't make sense. So I think people are overusing Docker. But maybe it's just because I don't understand it completely. I mean, I understand how it works, but I'm not able to write my own configs. Maybe it will change. It's harder to deploy the code. Yeah, okay. You mean without Docker, right? If you're able to build your containers. You think it's harder with Docker? Okay. I mean, I think this would be the same discussion people were telling without Docker. It's what I'm feeling. Like everybody's saying with Docker, it's easier to deploy code. But that's the point. I don't fully. I don't have a lot of knowledge about Docker, so this is where I'm standing right now. But I want to learn it a little bit at least for like understanding the Docker Composer files, you know, because I have a couple of tools running with Docker on my server, but I don't fully understand the Docker Compose files. Okay, this is fine for now, but I need to know why I don't have any padding right here. Because it's aligned white. This is okay. Yeah, so it's a pre-built none. Oh yes, baby. What about Docker brings your reusability, scalability, isolation, and better use of resources, but it still doesn't make sense for every and any use case. Yes, I think this is my biggest enterprise app is hosted on bare metal as well for now. Migration to Docker is planned. For now, all microservices are Dockerized, but not the monolith. Okay. I have 20 SaaS products in production with 30 to 40k users, all on bare metal. Nice. I mean, yeah. But and of course, Kaltha Kautha Palustris. Let's call you Kautha. Kautha? I'm sorry. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the chat. How are you doing? And yeah, this is what everybody's telling me about Docker, right? For the scalability. Kautha is fine. Okay. For the scalability and isolation and whatnot. But yeah, it's not like for every use case, right? I mean, it's right now. I'm using, I think you guys know the tool N8N, like for the AI automations. And this is super easy to deploy with Docker, and everything is inside that one container, right? And this is so for this, like for some kind of open source distribution, it's super nice. I just call the container, fire it up, map, like make a simple proxy mapping, and it works pretty nice. I totally get it, but yeah, I think maybe I just need to learn it first before I form an opinion that is kind of senseless. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. How about you? I'm doing very good. I'm doing very good. At least, very good now, but I'm doing okay. So I have some nice weather outside. Maybe I need to go outside earlier today. And I'm trying to build this template for my WordPress website. This is better now with but I surely need to change a lot of things, but it's just, this is the first one. Yeah, so I'm trying to build the templates for my webshop to work properly. Now I get it. I need another one. Shame on my spelling. Bits unfocused for now, but you got it. Okay. No, it's fine. Yeah, so but this is what I'm going to do the next couple of weeks, I guess. Next 2 weeks working on my WordPress website to get this webshop running, because I want to sell some stuff. Do I need the brands? I don't need brands here. I don't need brands. Do I need? I don't need SKU. I don't need to show it at all. Do I need the product categories and the tags? I don't know. I don't think I need to show them. I can build this later on. So I don't need the meta, product meta. Do I need the ratings? Ratings are fine, but do I need you guys to rate my products? So I don't need a bad rating for a product, right? Product price. Price should be maybe more. Yeah, let's get this going. So this is. Does it make sense? This is the product title. I want to make the product title very big. And I also want it to be extra bold, or it's not extra bold, it's black. What about the spacing? The review. Yeah, I think this is the short product summary. And the add to cart with options. I like stepper more. Yeah, this is a good. So here's my API. So I will need to restyle this once. So on the next thing, what about? Okay, this is actually a good point. So chat, if this would be a like web shop with, let's say, 50 products, 20, 30, 40 products, do you think you will need a breadcrumb navigation? Do you use the breadcrumb navigation? What the heck is this? I'm sorry. Why isn't he showing the image? Huh? Why? You don't need breadcrumbs? Like, fuck the breadcrumbs? I mean, if the shop gets more complex, I can change it up, right? But I still think I don't want the breadcrumbs. So this is fine. But what I need here, I still think I need some columns. It's just because of the styling. But it's just one column, and I'm gonna put the store notices right inside there. This is the product data. So this is, I'm doing fine here. Let's get another one. I don't know the shortcuts here. It may be, but whatever. So let's go build another group. One, it's fine. Product details right there. And I still don't know what this pattern placeholder is all about. Maybe I just put it away. I'd use it if it gives quick access to relevant categories. Yeah, and this is what I'm thinking about. For a small shop, yeah, I think relevance is the right word right there, Kaltha. It's all about guiding people, right? Guiding people. Premium features. Ah, we also have reviews right here. And JavaScript, any JavaScript exceptions? Oh. The model is overloaded. The model is overloaded. Gemini is having a hard time right now. What do you want to hustle? Easy Notes Pro? Come on. What do you mean? So add to the cart. I need to style a lot of buttons here. So do we have JavaScript blocked by client, but this is about PayPal. PayPal is trying to load whatever. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's at least it's working, right? Wieder da, Kai. Yeah, it's overloaded. Okay, so this is working. Let's rename this to product details. Do we have some other options for... Oh, no. What? Do we have some other options here? Show tab title and content. Yeah, it's fine. Nothing more. What about this one? Input stepper. Nothing more. Product summary. So, but since I just installed this one, whatever. This already looks better. Is this editor the default one? I mean, yes, it is. The design here is a little bit messed up in the backend because I added a lot of customizations there. But I can show you the default editor. I like the default editor. A lot of people say this shit, but I don't think it should. I think of course, there's no perfect thing, right? But the default editor is actually pretty nice because it's super simple. It's just block based. So every piece of content is a block in WordPress. It's just a block. What is this? This block is a spacer. Okay, this is a spacer. And this is a shortcode. This has something to do with WordPress, but you can just start typing. And then you can go with add a heading. My heading. And then you can change this to an H1. You can change this and you can make it bold. And if you want something else, you can go with image. Go to library, insert an image. And then you can create a group, or maybe even, let's say I want a row. Inside the row I want columns. I don't think I need a row for this actually. I just need the columns. You can say this is a 50-50 column. Here we also go with some paragraph. Start writing, and then the other one you can also go with an image. So it's super easy in my opinion. And of course it's my Hey Pahu, what up? Welcome to the stream, bem-vindo. So, but it's the editor is like for dummies, right? I mean, it's super easy to use, and it's so you can build easily your custom site, your customized page, landing page, whatever. So this works pretty well, and it's my responsibility as a template developer to customize it so it looks like in the backend it looks similar as the front end. And because I have some special things here, it's not that easy, but I can try it again. So here I'm gonna go add another group. This is a simple group, and I have some custom style. This is the Propz style, and this is not working. And now there are some different styles that I added to this group. And now I can go to the group and say I want a custom background, and I predefined my colors here. So these are my gradients, which are predefined by me. And here I can build my website. But this is actually in the backend is not working that good. This is how it looks in the front end. So the best case scenario would be the back end looks looking the same as the front end, you know, with the shadow here. But it's my responsibility, and since it's my website, it's fine for me. But it looks a little bit strange for if you don't know the website. Could look a little bit strange. But yeah, you have every block has its own properties, and I think it's easy. So I like content management systems because it's super easy to build normal websites. I think it's a lot of times I'm talking normal websites for companies, like for normal small companies. They don't need you to build a React Tailwind fuck off website. It's just over the top. Just put WordPress right there, build it, and it's so much easier. Because it's all about, if they want to change some content, it's way easier to just log in, click, edit, and done. You don't need to deploy, just way easier. So I'm a fan of content management systems. Of course, it does not have to be WordPress, of course. WordPress is just one, but it's, of course, the biggest one. It's fueling about, 40% of the web still? I'm working on my editor too. You have a SaaS editor. I mean, okay, let's say you build, or your job is totally different than mine was. So I was building normal websites for small companies. Normal websites. Of course, you won't build a software as a service product with WordPress, but I'm not seeing it. Yeah, of course, you have to use Laravel or whatever else. So you cannot compare these both settings, of course. But like I don't get it when people want to build complex, use more complex technologies for simple tasks. I'm a fan of keeping it simple. But whatever, what do I know? The WordPress one looks better than the one I remember. WordPress developed a lot in the last years. It's got a lot better. The older one was just a simple, how's it called? Tiny MCE editor. The old one, it was super basic, but since you can install different plugins, there are a lot of very good like page builder plugins where you can build really complex stuff. And this is the built-in one from WordPress. Is called the Gutenberg or the block editor. And for me it works fine. It's easy for me to do my stuff. But of course I built my template, so I know what I'm doing most of the time. Maybe. Okay. For now, I just want to make it simple. Some simple adjustments for the WooCommerce templates that I am going to use. So the next one is gonna be the cart. This is the one, yes. So everything is fine. I don't know this template part. Why it's right there. Let's get it out of the way. And let's go with build my group with the style of Propz, and also a background gradient. Let's do a light one. And this is store notices. Wait, I need to add the columns. Just one. And price notices, title, content. Okay, this is more complex here. Oh, look at this. I can just change for Notes Pro. So this is the actual basket, if it's filled. Oh, I can change everything. Oh, I like it. I like it. So this is actually the simple title. Let's put it... I think this should be the first one. What element is this one? I think it's just a wrapper. And let's go with the store notices. This is content. I don't need this group. Or do I need the group? No, I don't need this group. But I'm thinking about this part here. But it's not fully done yet. Oh, is it your builder? So are you building a custom one, or is it kind of... I think you told me already about this, right? Or do you have been using a library for that one? Oh, yes. Look at this. I've seen it already, I think. And the thing is, Christian, you can do the same thing with the WordPress builder, actually. I think at some points I like yours more, some parts of it. But it's very similar because you can, or you have like single block, single content elements like text or headline. But you can also, like you've done here, the cards, you can also pre-build a card element. You can build it with React or whatever, a lot of options. But you can also pre-build yours, so the user that is actually using the website can, he has access to all the things that you build for them. That's why I also like the WordPress. So it's super easy to get something done, right? I mean, it's your work. Hey, Boyd Peanuts for the win. Thank you very much for the sub. Let's go. Thank you very much. It's editor at. Yeah, looks good. So it's of course your work to make a good editor, right? This is your part. But why are you making the editor? Because it's easy for me to build whatever site I want, right? It looks very good. Just a small announcement for all people right there. For affiliates. Okay. If you're subscribed to my channel, I will give you the ability to style your chat message when it appears. Like for Christian, the chat message, you can style your own. I think I'm gonna build a Laravel backend for it, but every subber has the ability to style their own chat message. If someone is interested, just leave a sub and I'll leave the link right there. So they can edit their promotion page. Nice. Okay, so right now I'm actually glad that I don't need to write that much code. I just can edit the everything inside here. It's super easy. And I can, what is this one here? I mean, of course, there's a lot of, this is the cross cell. This is the one I want to move. This is the line items. This is the cross cell. This is what? What heading? This is the, okay. So, and this is something that I want to change. Maybe even with another groove, the cross-selling. You know what? Let's try it. Let's add after. Hey, Boy Peanuts, thank you very much for the follow. So you just subscribed before you follow. This is insane. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much for the follow on first sub. Time to eat something. Yeah, it's 8:30. But I need to eat also. I didn't have any lunch for today. So this is gonna be another group. This group is from type section. As is this. Props with the background gradients. Let's make it this one. And I want to put those right there. Don't. How do I unlock? I never seen a locked item. There. Okay. What? I can't unlock the elements. I like to do things backwards. And welcome to the chat, boys. Peanuts. Welcome on in. So what are you nerding with? Thank you very much. Really appreciate the support. And it really helps me out. How do I unlock? I never locked an element. WP unlock block. Maybe it's hardcore locked in the code. Maybe. Yeah, so how do I unlock this thing? I don't know. It's not active here. I think maybe it's hard locked on the code side. Yeah, this is sad, but it's fine. Let's see how it looks like. What? What? This is the main block. This is another main block. Too many main blocks here. This is the entry content. Oh, this is I've actually been doing some WordPress dev lately for clients, mostly creating custom blocks plugin. Ah, okay. So you are creating a plugin for creating custom blocks, or are you creating custom blocks for your clients? So I guess you also do like also selling some web design for your clients. I did not save this one actually, or did I save it? Oh, now it's working. Now it's working. Just we'll have a problem with the max width. This will not work. But this is a clean card. I like it. Just the title. It's not to my liking. Let's go make a big, very big title, and also with the black font. Now we're talking. So now we're gonna have some trouble with the... Oh no, it already changed. Columns, block, H1. This is the WooCommerce. This is main. Why is this the main one? Is it manually? I think it's manually, right? I think I forgot something. What if? but I can't change the styling of this one. Whatever, I think it's fine. It's kind of messed up. Okay. I will still need more changes. Do I need more changes? Wait. This looks fine. You know what? This is just a first try, yeah? It's fine. It's enough. It's fine. I saved it. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the checkout just to make it simple. So there's like at least everything is looking fine. Like not perfect, but fine. Checkout. Let's go. Checkout header. What the heck is this one? This is a different header, but it's not here. I need to delete this one, but I know what I want to do right here. Okay, add before. Let's go with, again, same thing. We have a group. This group is style props with a background. I want a very simple background. Maybe we go beige again. And inside that group, we're gonna need some columns. Single one. And now everything goes inside that column. Store notices at first. Content here. I don't need this group here. And maybe I can put out the title. No, I can't. So let's save it. How does it look like? Show me the checkout. This is the checkout. It looks fine already. I really liked my input fields here. I need to style a lot of stuff right here, but this is actually fine. I think I like it. Or maybe another color, but I will need to hide everything else. But actually I'm not happy with the background color. Now this is gonna be a hard one. Because if you're building a website or a web shop, it's important that the client can focus in the checkout, so it actually closes the he actually buy the things that he wants to buy. That's fine. So we have contact information, shipping address, shipping options. This is blocked, I think. Yeah. Place order. Okay, I just need more padding, I guess. Let's rename this one. This is my checkout. And how about the padding? Where's the padding? I want more padding at the top. No, I won't. No, I had always problems with the paddings here. I need to do it with CSS. So guys, since the ads are running right now, I think I'm gonna make a small break again, 5 minutes, and come back, and we're just gonna finish the simple templates, and I'm gonna finish the stream for today because actually I'm pretty hungry. I'm just giving a couple of minutes. So let's keep going.
Okay, let's go.
Time to wake up. So, but this is also fine for now. I'm just gonna go quickly through a couple of the templates, and just to make sure that I'm happy with them. So we have product catalogs. Coming soon page is really not important. The order received is actually quite important. I think this is a very important page. We don't need this one, don't need this one. This group is of type Propz. And it's not the main, it's the section. Or is it the main? I don't know, whatever. Before we need the columns, same thing as all the other pages, just one, and everything just inside the one column for now. Thank you, your order has been received. Create an account. It's kind of nice. Then we have the order details. And then shipping address and billing address. Maybe I have some ideas for this one. So this is the order status. And the order summary is also important. And I think I'm gonna leave the account creation also right here. I can't even move it. What the heck? Whatever. So and then I'm gonna add another group. I'm gonna split this up. And so this is let's call it hero again. This is my hero. And the next one is the totals. I don't think if I need this again here, but it's fine. But first I need the columns. Same game. So this is what I'm talking about. So okay, columns, totals. So wait, what are the totals? Oh, this is wrong. The columns are inside totals, right? Then we have the order totals section. And after the totals, we have another group. Here we still need our columns. Let's make it one. I think I just need one, I'm not sure. I know, I need more. I need two. They are already done. So just put in right there. Here we are talking about the addresses. Address. So we have hero, totals, address, and the other ones are what? Additional fields, additional information. Yeah, let's do it after them. Columns 1, and then let's go with the additional fields and additional information. What about the download section? I think this is very important. I will put it quite high. I think before the totals. I think this is a good position. Okay, now, so every single of these groups should be a section element. This is how I styled my website. Section. And of course, let's have all of them should have one. I can't choose the style. Okay, this is unfortunately. Let's go with props, and props. And now we need to change the background colors. So this is additional. So let's start with the hero. So the hero, I think for the hero it's fine if we wait, let's try the green gradient. For the totals, let's go maybe with red. For the shipping addresses, let's go with... No, let's go with yellow. I want to turn this one to blue. And the last one, the additional infos, they're going to be red. So I think this is a good first try. So I can't see how it looks like because we don't have any order, I guess. I already like the style, like of the input fields. So this is actually working pretty nice. The base style that I already did for other parts. Okay, so this is the order confirmed. Did I save it? I hope so. Yes, of course. What else? I have the cart page, the checkout page. The checkout page and the single product page, which is just fine for now, but not, it's just a first try. Taxonomy, product brand, products by tag. So for all the others, the catalog, results, attribute, category, tag, and brand, this is gonna be all the same. It's gonna just be all the same. And I already did the styling for another part, so I want to copy the templates for the archives. And I'm not sure. Let's go. So here's clearly not working. I just want to take a look at the front end if everything is all right with that one. Like for WordPress, it's working good. It's working fine. Yeah, let's try if I'm not sure if I can achieve this so easily. So we need to copy all blocks. Yes. Then let's go to the editor again. So the WooCommerce, and now here we're gonna go with the catalog. And now can I just paste? How do I paste the blocks? There we go. This is no results. Pose. Okay, so this is my wait. So this is my wrapper. And the no results. Whatever. The no results is for something else. Okay, so this is the wrapper. Yes, I need the archive title right on top. Now I get it. I always forget how I did things. This is the enter content. So I need another group. I need this group right here. This group is style props, right? Like this one. This is also a props group with the yellow background. Let's go. Props group with the yellow gradient. So now it's gonna start to get interesting. So we have the archive title. This one. Right there. Is it the same size? This is bigger. And I also want the same stylings. But it is actually the same component, right? Or is it different? It is the same. I think it is the same. So let's skip this one. I think, are there some classes? Has text align center, has huge font size, it's style black. Okay. Next. Term description. Not sure if there will be a term description, but let's keep it the same. We can keep the store notices right here, I think. So this is an old one, and then we start with the window. What kind of is style dark? Ah, this is a window, I remember. So this is actually another custom block that I've built. So we can use this window right here. But we don't need a query loop. Post template. I think I don't need a query loop. We don't need the sorting for now. So this is the product collection. I want it inside the window, which is not working here in the back end, whatever. We have the post template. Yeah, is this a post template? This is a product template. And inside the product template, I want to have the posts. Maybe it works. I'm really not sure. Then we have the query loop with post template pagination and no results. And for the no results, I want the same thing there. Now I can delete this, the old one. Or what's the difference between... Oh, this is the difference. Okay, I can delete this one. Hey, Grunakoda, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Pattern placeholder. I don't know about that. So there's a results, pagination, and this is the product template. So we have a product image, title, price, and add to cart. So this is the problem right now. I know what I need to do. Let's go to the... Wait, let's just save it right here. Oh, I'm doing fine too. I just started working on the webshop part of my website so I can start to sell my own things on my website. And I'm just building the basic templates for WordPress. So there's like some basic styling so it does not look like shit anymore, you know? Okay, he's working. He's working. Okay. I need to copy the post. And same here. Copy all blocks. Then we go back. These are the patterns, not the templates. Coming soon. Oh, it's actually already changing for everyone. Ah, this is very good. Okay, and now paste. This is the post. Section posts. No, this is not important. But this thing here is important for the product collection. This is the product template. This is right here. So we have the post meta, which would be what? I don't need the date. Categories could be the featured image would be replaced with the product image. So are there any special link to products? Whatever. So the feature image is fine. This is not more important. The product title goes right here. Make title a link. Is it actually the same? It's not the same. Okay. But it's very similar. This is the one that I don't want anymore. So now the product price, maybe just below the product title. Then we have the add to cart button. No, the add to cart button goes actually inside this row. Read more. Maybe I just have to try it out first. The categories, maybe no categories here. Do I need the post meta? Post header. Post header is fine. Title, price, buttons. I think this could work. And I think we should give it a try. Wait, do I have... I'm not sure if I already deleted the shop page. I did. So how am I gonna test this? Maybe I need just... Let's create the shop page again. I'm not sure if there is a block for the shop. No. I'm not sure what I have to copy to for it to work, or is if it's just a backend setting. I think it's a backend setting. Let's see again. So we have the shop. It's not marked as shop page. Let's go to settings. Products, shipping. What about products? Shop page. There you go. And this should work. It is. Yeah, kinda. Not really. A little bit. So what happened here with the page? So if this is the block, how did I style it here? Window. Dark window section posts. I see. It's because I called it section post. So last try. I think this could be a good one. And what about the padding right here? I think I managed it also with... This is an H2, this is a P. Whatever. So this one, this group, this is the content. And this group right here is the section element. Should be a section, right? And this is called section posts. Next try. Yeah, we're getting there. I mean, I should rename it to section products or whatever. But this is what I'm talking about. Okay, nice. Yeah, this is all broken, of course. Of course it's broken. These are the things that I need to style on the CSS part, not... don't need... Oh yeah, this is actually how I want to style the things. But this is... I think this is about some classes that I built right there, and they're not matching. There's the footer. This is a post article. Yeah, I need to change this. I need to customize this and with the CSS. Okay, I get it. But I think we're gonna get there. And then the archive from the shop is gonna look the same as the blog. This is what I want with the same buttons. So there's the one button to add to cart, and the other button to actually go to the product page. This is good. And the good thing from WordPress right there is because this is the master archive page for WooCommerce. We already added this template to all the others, so I need just to do it once, but not for the search results. But we don't have any search yet implemented, so it's actually not important. I don't understand why he's not doing the same for taxonomy, but we'll figure it out later. So we built our basic templates for single product, for the product archives, for the cart page, checkout, and order confirmation. And I mean, it's really the first try, but I'm happy for now. And I'm gonna end the stream today, guys. It's enough for today. I need to get some lunch. I am very hungry. And I'm just gonna look who else is streaming. For example, A is streaming. Who else? A could be a good rate. What about the English streamers here? Proxmox Home Lab. Oh, I know this nick. It's Nan Coates. She came in earlier with the maybe rate.
So far enough for money. Yeah, right.
Let's go. Let's try it out. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for stopping by, for spending some time with me, doing some different things, but we're getting there. I think next week I'm gonna have some pretty nice layouts with WordPress, and I think it's another time where I have to, it's always hard to get into. I'm not gonna stream tomorrow, but it's only next week. I have some things to do tomorrow, so tomorrow there will be no stream. We see each other again on Monday. So this is why I actually wanted to stream today, because it's gonna be a couple of days. So I wish you all a wonderful evening, a wonderful weekend, and the next stream is going to be on Monday. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I see you next week. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.